decided to play Washington politics in there, and that is very unfortunate because we were expecting to have a bipartisan tone this legislative session, and so it's disappointing that they would do that in a committee like this.
To be fair, though, none of the Democrats used even Obama's name.
Well, that is true, but they're still, on the Democrat, they still put themselves as Democrats. And like I said, unfortunately, even though 70% of our Kansans have already spoke out wanting this bill, I mean, if you look at the polls, they decided to really ignore what the Citizens Party wanted.
You did polling on House Bill 1053?
Not specifically, no, but in other polls that have been done, both on the repeal of the health care bill and when they actually drill down to whether or not people want to repeal certain parts of the bill, this has always been overwhelmingly wanted to be repealed.
Do you think you got a fair hearing today?
Yeah, I think that we did. Like I said, there was the legal questions were answered, a lot of the financial questions were answered. So I believe in the end that, yeah, we did receive a fair hearing.
Is there any plans to repackage this, perhaps in a resolution, and try again? Or?
Yeah, like I said, we will look at all the options that we have on the table. There's a possibility we could do it as a resolution. There's a possibility we could do it as an interim study. There's a possibility we could actually bring it back to committee as well. So we'll look at those options and see what the best option may be.
Do you think if you had started over on the Senate side, you would have more luck? I mean, I know you yourself can't do it.
Right. That's always a hard question to ask. I feel that in the end, even if it would have passed over on the Senate side, it still would have been sent to the Public Health Committee side, and it still would have had the same outcome.
What would it take for you to bring it back in committee?
I guess just basically a consensus among the Republican leadership and potentially with some of the two Democrats that voted yes for the bill. If they thought that it was a good idea, or we could do it in a different way to help get it to pass.
Are you going to talk to some of the Democratic members who voted?
Oh yeah, most definitely. Most definitely. I'm not going to stop reaching across the aisle on things that I believe in just because of this. We'll continue to work with Democrats and what we can do.